I have a question. I love to grow small, tender plants, but the wildlife just love them. What can I do to protect these plants from these little creatures?
Well, one of the things to do, I always like to tell people, a good fence is your best defense. So even though fences are not the most desirable feature in a landscape, it does protect those newly planted plants, and particularly some that are really delicious for rabbits and small animals, from being completely demolished before they ever reach any kind of productivity or maturity. Here we have an example of a comparison of what we've been doing where we have fenced our cabbage. This is called Caraflex cabbage. And then we've also not fenced some of it. And clearly inside the fence, the plants are doing great, no animal damage whatsoever. They're getting to be nice and full. Versus over here behind the fence, we've got some big bites out of leaves. We clearly have had some browsing from the rabbits. So here we're showing this example between these two. So while a fence is not the best looking thing, and you can certainly be creative with your fencing, it's really important, particularly when those plants are small and most vulnerable at their early size.